Hi, this is Sri from TechieTalksAI. We are starting a series of videos that will start from absolute zero, that is basic Arduino, to complete AI driven robotics. So, last month we created videos on S0101 robotics arm, and we received a lot of queries on starting from fresh. So AI is changing the IT industry itself. So a lot of people are having interest or wanting to switch to robotics, which is going to be one of the dominant player in the industry. So in this short video, what we are going to do is we are going to see what is Arduino, which is one of the most popular single board microcontroller based computer, and we will see how to get started with it. We will not connect anything to Arduino. So this board that you see here is called Arduino, and this model is called UNO, UNO, Arduino UNO. Okay, and I have connected this to the USB cable to my laptop. And like any computer, you can run programs in it, and computers will have inputs and outputs. What are the inputs of a computer? Keyboard, mouse, trackpad, pen, tablet, microphone. All these act like inputs to a computer, and computer will also have to have output, without which we will not be able to see the results. So computer has a display, it can have a printer, it has a speaker. All these things will produce, or all these devices will help computer express itself. So, but when it comes to a single board computer like this Arduino, the slots that you see here can act like inputs or outputs. Let me show you. So here, in these slots, you can insert jumper wires and connect it to stepper motor, connect it to push switch, connect it to LED to make computer receive our input if it is a switch or a sensor, and let this Arduino express itself through LEDs or servo motors, etc. Okay, so that is what we will see. But in this short episode, what we will do is we will see how we can program. Now, do you see this? This LED is called the built-in LED. When you get an Arduino board, it has one output which is connected to pin 13 when it comes to Arduino UNO, and that is now currently blinking at the rate of 1 second. Normally this will not build, normally this will not blink. We have programmed it to blink it this way. That is what I'm going to show you now. That is, first thing is you need to buy this board to really get started with electronics and automation. So when you get this Arduino board, it should also come with this USB cable. Other end of the USB cable, you connect it to your laptop or desktop, and then you download from arduino.cc website the Arduino IDE or an editor. Okay, so now what you see here is the Arduino IDE running, and I have loaded a simple program to blink an LED. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this on period to 5 seconds, 5,000 milliseconds. and I click this button to upload. You will see this LED blinking fast, and here it says done uploading. And now if you see, the LED is now blinking for 5 seconds. It is staying on for 5 seconds and off for 1 second. Clear? So that is the getting started first exercise with Arduino. And what I want you to do is to get this board and get started with this. We have an innovation lab that we run in Trivandrum where we give hands-on access to our students. We also give kits, and we also give, along with our students, ready-made 3D printed parts like this. This is from our TechieTalksAI itself, and where you can nicely fit these boards and use this breadboard to connect to input and output. So when you wire these projects, make sure that the wiring is neat so we are able to trace, debug, fix, etc. So let's develop good habits. So we have online workshops which are free and live stream like this. We also have on-site access to our lab where you can come, book our lab time, do your creative work. We also will mentor. We also have summer camps and weekend workshops. Okay, so now another beautiful thing is if you don't have access to an Arduino immediately, you can also use a simulator environment to run Arduino. So that is in Tinkercad. Let me show that. Let me log in. It is free. You can log in with your email ID. Okay, so there you come to create, click on create and circuits, and there you can load an Arduino simulator. Okay, and let me make this window big. Okay, so here you can click on code and you can ignore this block based coding, and here it has the LED blinking loaded already. Click on start simulation and you will see this. Can you see this LED blinking? Let's change the time period to 5 seconds here also. This is completely simulating Arduino. Okay, so we'll make it 5 and click on start simulation. If you see this, it is now staying on for 5 seconds, then off for 1 second. So that is a quick demo of how you can get started with Arduino immediately. So start with the simulator, then you order the Arduino board. See, this journey will incur cost. Electronic journey, ending in robotics, AI-driven robotic arm itself can cost $100, $200 or even more, depending on where you buy these parts from and get it 3D printed. But you stay on with me. We will go till we build a completely AI-driven robotic arm to a moving robotic device. So that is it for this short video. Remember to subscribe and give your valuable comments and please like and share. This is Sri signing off. Bye bye.